Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet Rizky Hidayat of Program Studi Agribusiness. I explain about the cultural festival in Indonesia. Indonesia has a wide variety of festival that include the Balim Valley Festival. The Balim Valley Festival was first held in 1989 and lasted for 3 days. The Balim Festival was once a war between the tribes of Dani, Lani, and Yani as fertility and welfare lambing. At the festival, we could see the simulate combat and dance perform. They perform a festival that was an exhibition of tribal strength and was hereditary but certainly safe to enjoy. The Balim Valley Festival lasts for 3 days and is held each August and usually coincident with the celebration of independence of the Republic of Indonesia. Of interest at the Balim Valley Festival is this scenario that triggered the war. As a trigger to such tribal conflict would normally rank from citizen abduction or a newly obtained file invasion to the murder of tribal children. It was from this scenario that the intertribal war arose. There was an invasion of tribes who fell victims in the conflict. Each tribal involved in the war must send out the best soldier they have. Plus, it come with all the big sight they got. However, the controversy did not lead to realization. They remained steadfast in in this activity. That is Yogotak Hubulok Motok Hanoro, which means a hope for a better tomorrow than today. The war for the tribe of Dani exhibited competence and enthusiasm rather than the desire to kill. The weapons used were long spears, bows, and arrows. Often war result in wounded rather than killed, and wounded are quickly taken out of the battlefield. The climax was the battle between the tribes of Dani, Yali, and Lani as they sent their best warrior into the battlefield, wearing their best sign of greatness. This festival is enlivened with underground hop fest accompanied Bibabuan traditional music and dance. Handmade art and craft are also on display or for sale. Each tribe has its own identity and people can see the distinct difference between the match, their costume and ceremony. Love in the war performance involving the Dani, Lani and Yali tribes as symbol of fertility and prosperity. Then at the time of the festival, there was also burning stone. In this traditional, the tribes will burn stone in which food such as meat and sweet potatoes could be eaten. Lighting of fire was also unique, for it was done by scraping the wood until a spark ignited. Community coordination is so noticeable when this is happening because everyone will help one another carry out the traditional of burning stone. A festival is important for a country. It is an important means of communication to build, empower, and recognition a cultural identity. A national would be great if cultural value had taken root in the joints of society. The Balim Valley Festival is alive with tribal war attraction. And then there is a host of other event of the Feast of Pigs. This animal is cooked in a unique way underground. It is then accompanied by musical performance and various forms of traditional Papua native dance. Not to be forgotten, there were genuine work of art and handmade craft on display, availability for sale. During the festival, we will have rare opportunities to learn and to come in contact with various traditional of different local trips without having to visit Papua's far and Ardou's interior. It is estimated that the festival was followed by over 40 complete tribes in traditional costume and painting on the face. We can also observe and enjoy the war while taking pictures. As the festival progresses, the atmosphere of war with spears, message, and arrow striking opponent is interesting. A demonstration of tribe war involving the Dani, the Lani, and the Yali tribes, a symbol of fertility and prosperity. Then, at the time of the festival, there was also burning stone. In this traditional, the tribe will burn stone in which food, such as meat and sweet potatoes, could be eaten. Lighting a fire was also unique, for it was done by scraping the wood until a spark ignited. Community coordination is noticeable when this is happening, because everyone would help one another carry out the traditional of burning stone. This was the most awaited and beloved event for many tourists, but it was not the most desirable or unpopular scenario for the war starter. As a stranger to such tribal conflict would normally rank from citizen abdication or a newly opened field invasion to the murder of tribal children. It was from this scenario that the intertribal war rose. There was an invasion of tribal who fell victims in the conflict. The Balim Valley Cultural Festival clearly has an important function for Papua. Her presence became not only an enticing tourist attraction but also a watchman of cultural value. More deeply, this festival has a strategic function promoting Papua intact. Thank you.